Dear students, in this session we will discuss about education and culture. Education plays a crucial role in driving cultural change and shaping societies. Education and cultural changes are related. It is through education that knowledge, values, attitudes, and skills are transmitted from one generation to another, influencing the way people think, behave, and interact with each other. Cultural change, on the other hand, refers to the transformation of beliefs, practices, and norms within a society over time. The term culture has been interpreted in various ways, but in sociology, the meaning of culture is quite different. From sociology's point of view, culture means all the achievements, activities of group life that has been acquired or developed by man because of his various interactions, experiences, and roles in the society. So, culture can be defined as that complex whole which includes knowledge, beliefs, arts, moral law, custom, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Culture is closely related to education. The educational system of any society has a clear impact on its culture. The basis of educational system of a society are its needs and they are fulfilled by education. Culture has its impact on education. This proves the close relationship of culture and education. Social customs, tradition, institutions have direct impact on our activities like thinking, understanding, remembering, etc. So a person tries to adopt those elements quickly, which are highly recognized in society and important part of our culture. Person tries to remember only those things which give prestige and honor in the society and wants to forget which bring opposite results. It is the characteristic of culture that it motivates men to remember and adopt recognized things and forget the things unrecognized by the society. The needs of society, which is less developed, are confined to earn a living, internal and external defense, and worship God and Goddess. Remember, the needs of society, which is less developed, are confined to earn a living, internal and external defense, and worship God and Goddess. These needs are learned by experience, and for them, no formal education is needed. With a culture becoming complex, it needs formal education for transmission of knowledge from one generation to the other. In order to fulfill this need, special educational institutions are required where education is imparted, youth is trained, behavior is molded, where there is modification in behavior, where social values are taught. They are referred to as schools in our society. So culture, education, society are correlated with each other. Since culture affects the development of personality, the form of education is affected by the form of social culture in the society. Hence, the source of education are also other than the schools. By culture, we mean the system of norms and standards that a society develops over the course of many generations and which profoundly influences the everyday behavior of people in that society. The purpose of culture is to give the society by conscious process of learning and experience patterns of behavior which are found useful for a harmonious existence and smooth functioning in all occupation and interactions, thereby ensure individual and group survival and perpetuation. It is the integrated social, biological, academic mode of behavior of a group or society. Radhakrishnan Commission on University Education remarked about culture. Culture is an attitude of mind, an inclination of the spirit, and those who yearns for it wish to have a vision of greatness. Sit in the presence of nobility and see the highest reach and scope of the spirit of man. The National Policy on Education 1986 observed the curricula and process of education will be enriched by cultural content in as many manifestation as possible. It also observed education and must bring about the fine synthesis between change-oriented technologies and the country's continuity of cultural traditions. In our next session, we will discuss in detail meaning of culture, definitions of culture, nature of culture, characteristics of culture, relationship between education and culture, impact of culture on education, characteristics of culture, and relation between culture and education, impact of culture on education.